Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, my last couple of videos have been kind of focused on working on the old truck. You saw me change the bumper in a previous video, and I was in a hurry to get the tailgate on because I bought a new tailgate as well. The other one was all dented up and starting to rust on the bottom, and in my haste I didn't video it, but probably not a loss, whatever. But one of the other things I wanted to do was, when I bought this bed, I got a pretty good deal on it, the whole bed. Somebody had taken it off their 2007 truck. It was the same color as my truck. Everything was the same. This was probably, I probably did this in 2016, maybe, something like that. And it was pretty brand new. The guy had taken it off and he had put a utility body on his truck when he bought his truck new. And this had been sitting out in back of his house ever since. So the body's pretty good shape. Again, not like the bumper. The bumper was pretty bad, and so was the tailgate. So this new body had this chrome cover on it. And I thought, wow, that's kind of slick looking. I mean, it's made by Chrysler and everything. I figured that ought to last a good long time. Not. Over the years, you can see it's loose. It hangs down. It's always open. It's just the hinge is like worn out in it, and I don't know any way to fix it. But you can see it drops down. It was pretty for a while, but and then unfortunately, the bed that I took off here, although it was all rusted out around the wheel wells, I was able to sell it for like $150. Somebody probably figured, well, that's better than buying a new one for their truck. And I let the old gas cap go with it. So I've been wanting to replace this, but you know, by the time you buy a new gas cap, have it painted, I mean, you're a couple $100 deep, easy. Probably more than that, maybe up to $300 deep. So anyway, I saw one on eBay. Somebody, for some reason, had taken it off his truck. Same color, which is perfect. And I picked it up for like 75 or 80 bucks. So it's the same color as this, although it's new. Looks new anyway. I'm not exactly sure why he took it off his truck, but what I'm going to do now is put this original one back on. So that's what this video is about. All around the edge is hex head screws, and the Allen wrench to take them off is 532. So I'm not going to film that whole process, but you can probably watch from a distance if you want. Well, there's one. Whoops, that was broke. That's weird. Boy, I don't remember there being such short ones. That one was just a little baby compared to the other one that I just took out. Whoops, look, there's another one that broke. This has turned out to be such a cheap cover. I'm just so surprised. There's the ram head. So it's actually a Chrysler product. I think that screw's going to give me a hard time. Of course, there's always got to be one. Always got to be one. All of them but one. Thank you, Chrysler. Yep, and that one's chosen to strip. So I'm going to have to get my drill out and drill the head off that one. I'll be back in a little bit. Now typically what I do is you take a drill that is a little bigger than the screw. You drill down through the head until it gets to the bottom of the screw head. The head pops off and you can pop the screw out. So let's see if that works. Seems like I should be down through it by now, but it's pretty deep. There it is. All right. And you can see, I think you can see, maybe not, but there's a screw head right there. And that should be the last screw. Yep. So that takes care of that. I sure wish I knew why this thing was such a terrible piece of shit. It's too bad. I mean, it's still plenty shiny. Still plenty shiny, but the wings aren't very good. Too bad. Well, all right. Well, let's see if I can get this gas cover off. All right. So it would appear I was able to get the gas cap off. And if you can see, there was a little thing here, and this simply popped into that hole. So that's all done. And if any of you was interested in what this cover is, there's the ram's head, and I'm sure if you zoom in some, you can see what the part number is. Now hopefully this one goes back in as well. I can see something that I'm missing though. There should be a couple of rubber stops right here, otherwise it kind of just vibrates there. That wouldn't be good. Well, Chrysler did something right. They're steel screws. Oh, but they're a, oh, what are they called? It's like a star wrench. These here. And there's the one that fits it right there. The name for these, and I can't remember. Apex, maybe? No, I don't think they're Apex. I can't remember. But anyway, they look like a star. Now, if all else goes well, oh, isn't that nice? It's already got a strap on it, so I can use take the old strap off. This should go right back in there. Unlike the other one, instead of 6 screws all the way around, it's only got 2. Alright, that's a little bit tight. I don't want to jam it right up tight yet until I see how the fit is. It's only got 2 screws that hold it. Look at that. How's that? Yep. I'd say she fits pretty good. Like I say, what I need is a couple rubber stops in there. And that'll take care of that. Let me tighten this up. Yeah, it's actually the same color too. It's this black pearl. I can't remember what the paint color number is, but when the truck is actually shined up, it's all the same color. But living in Maine, hey, this is what you get. You can wash your car every day here in Maine, and then when you get home, it's what it's going to look like, because the roads are all covered with dirt. They're covered with rust, not rust, salt, and the salt is wicked up here. Really rust your car out quick. So, anyway, hey, that's pretty good. And I think, yep, just pops off. We'll pop this other one back in the hole. Just like that. There we go. Done. Okay, so that was a quick little project. Every one of these I'm able to probably get a video out of, which is pretty good. I think one of my videos coming up, what I'd like to do is, it won't be a long video because I'm no expert at this by any means. But I'll show you what I use for my camera and the different cameras that I do use and the software that I use when I upload it. Might be of value to somebody. So anyway, thanks for coming along with me, and Like I said, it's a beautiful day in Maine, so this was a way for me to get out a little bit. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.